Engineering challenges. To run an engineering business smoothly involves a lot of challenges. Listed below are 6 of the most common and biggest challenges faced by the engineering industry and the people working in it. Energy efficiency improve. Today, due to the continuous climatic changes, there is dire need to reduce fossil fuels consumption and work on improving energy efficiency. Challenge here is to find viable alternate sources of energy. Technological advancements. Technology is developing rapidly and engineers need to meet challenges resulting from the new technological advancements. Cost-effective technology can revive the engineering industry. There are many ways through which manufacturers can leverage the latest advancements in technology. Skilled staff shortage. Engineers and technicians are among the most in-demand jobs in the world. The need for skilled engineers has never been as pressing as it is today. Engineers and technicians are among the most in-demand jobs in the world. Also, it's a well-known fact that the engineering industry is struggling against a widespread skill and staff shortage. Climate change. In the face of current ongoing climatic fluctuations, engineers are struggling hard to find ways to reduce potential climate crisis caused by pollution emerged from large engineering companies. One of the ways to do so is by promoting green engineering to improve sustainability and reduce the carbon footprint in manufacturing. Lack of female engineers. The engineering sector is trying to tackle the issue of gender imbalance in the industry overall. The lack of female engineers is an issue that's deep-rooted and stubborn. Female engineer numbers have hardly budged since the early 90s. Boys are far more likely to consider a career in engineering than girls according to an Engineering UK report. Project management. In the engineering space, projects are time, cost and quality sensitive, and as a result they are tightly controlled and rigid. Manufacturers or the company owners that miss deadlines risk losing out on millions of dollars in potential revenue and profit.